Got a red light on the side.
What the frig is that?
It's rising, I think.
It does seem to be slowly
moving.
doing something, yeah.
It's going through the cloud. It's going through the cloud. Gotta get the time code. Let's get the time code. What time is it? 10:33. 10:33. Number 7. Are you caving now, Daddy?
It's not a helicopter.
Yes.
Is it?
Oh, go outside here.
You can see light. You can see light below the bright thing, the bright spot.
Dogs are horrible. It doesn't look like a helicopter. Do you know? I wondered if we'd see anything here.
Do you want to? Oh man, I don't want to go and kill the light back there. But
It's got a red light on the right hand
go
side.
watch it, honey.
It's got a red light on the right. It's got a red light next to it's got a big white light and a red light next to that. The red light is constant. Ooh, it turned out it's doing something.
It's not strobing.
It's doing things.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, I saw another white light on it flash.
Faith in Bagora.
It's flashing. It's moving.
It is moving.
It's flashing. It looks like there's a white light flashing. It could be a helicopter. I don't know. There's a. Okay, now it's moving. Wonder if it's not a chopper or something.
Do you think it's a helicopter?
It's got light on
It's gone up higher, hasn't it? Seems to be going awfully slow.
Yes.
Yeah, it's just inching along. Well, it's not that far away that it would, you know how. It was curious. Let me go outside. Shut up! Shut up! Can you hear anything?
No, I don't know. There's what background noise.
I lost it.
It's got a pulsing light.
What?
It's got a strobing light.
Yeah. I can't find it. Gone.